I've been on this platform 3 years now creating educational content, and TikTok sent me some packages and I figured I'd open them up and let you know what I got. Let's get started. Okay, this is the first one. This was for a TikTok Taught Me creator program. Looks like we got some nice stickers. Thank you for your participation in TikTok Taught Me. This little hat. It's like a cup with a straw. Oh, it's a little ring light for your phone. You got a bag. On to the next one. This big thing also came in today. Really nice package. Let's open it up. Wow, that's big. A couple different pieces. TikTok countdown. Whoa. Countdown 2023 with me. And I guess each one's something individual. That's a lot. We can count down to the new year together.